How to create AI-generated voices, tools and tips. Hello and welcome to our video on AI-generated voices. In this video, we'll be exploring the exciting world of AI voice generation and the tools you can use to create your own realistic-sounding voices. So if you're curious about how AI voice generation works, or you're interested in creating your own AI voices, then keep watching. Part 1. Understanding AI voice generation. First, let's talk about what AI voice generation is and how it works. Simply put, AI voice generation is the process of creating a realistic-sounding voice using artificial intelligence. This is done by training a machine learning algorithm on a large dataset of audio recordings, which allows it to learn the patterns and nuances of human speech. One popular tool for AI voice generation is Google's Tacotron 2, which uses a combination of neural networks and machine learning algorithms to generate high-quality voices. Other popular tools include Amazon Polly, Deep Voice, and WaveNet. Part 2. Choosing the right AI voice generation tool. Now that you understand how AI voice generation works, it's time to choose the right tool for your project. Depending on your needs, you may want to consider different factors such as cost, ease of use, and customization options. For example, if you're looking for a free and open-source tool, you might want to consider Mozilla's DeepSpeech or the open-source implementation of WaveNet. If you're looking for a platform with a wide range of customization options, you might want to check out Replica Studios or Lyrebird. Part 3. Creating your own AI voices. Once you've chosen the right tool, it's time to start creating your own AI-generated voices. This typically involves selecting a voice model or creating your own, training the model on a dataset of audio recordings, and fine-tuning the model until you're happy with the results. Popular tools for creating AI voices include Replica Studios, Lyrebird, and Google Cloud Text-to-Speech. Each of these tools provides an intuitive interface for creating custom AI voices and allows you to fine-tune the model based on your specific needs. Part 4. Tips and tricks for creating realistic AI voices. Now that you know how to create AI-generated voices, let's talk about some tips and tricks for making them sound as realistic as possible. One of the most important things to keep in mind is to use high-quality audio recordings as your training data. This will help your AI model learn the nuances of human speech and produce more accurate results. Another important tip is to fine-tune your AI model based on the specific use case. For example, if you're creating a voice for a virtual assistant, you might want to train your model on a dataset of voice commands and responses. Part 5. Using AI voices in your projects. Once you've created your AI-generated voice, it's time to start using it in your projects. This can include anything from adding voiceovers to your videos or podcasts to creating custom voice assistants for your business. Popular tools for using AI voices in your projects include Amazon Polly, Google Cloud Text-to-Speech, and Watson Text-to-Speech. Each of these tools provides a range of features and integrations to help you get the most out of your AI-generated voice. Bonus tip. Before we wrap up, here are a few bonus tips to help you get the most out of your AI voice generation tools. Experiment with different voices and accents to find the perfect fit for your project. Use a high-quality microphone and recording setup to ensure that your training data is accurate. Consider using a voice conversion tool to modify existing voices and create new variations. Some popular voice conversion tools include VoiceSwap, VoiceChanger, and Voxel Voice Changer. Take advantage of natural language processing, NLP, tools to create more sophisticated voice assistants and chatbots. Some popular NLP tools include Dialogflow, Wit.ai, and Raza. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. The field of voice generation is rapidly evolving, and there are always new tools and techniques to explore. That's it for our video on voice generation. We hope you found this information helpful and that you're excited to start creating your own generated voices. With the right tools and techniques, anyone can create realistic sounding voices using artificial intelligence. So don't be afraid to dive in and start experimenting. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.